Okay, quick video today. I wanted to make it because when you first get your Nikon Z6III, anytime you touch the focus wheel, it just goes to manual focus override even though autofocus is turned on. I wanted to show you how to turn that off. There's not really a clear tutorial on how to do it, and that's why I'm doing it. With the earlier firmware of the Z6III, there was just a menu option that said manual focus override on or off. With the newer version of firmware, or maybe with the third-party lenses, that's not the case. So this is how you go about fixing that. You need to go into the menu, go into controls, and then go into custom controls. This shows you all the custom button options with your camera. And if you scroll all the way down to the end, there's an option that says lens control ring. If you see that is automatically set to manual focus, if you turn that off, manual focus override will be off. So now the camera won't go automatically into manual focus anytime you touch the lens. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you in the next one. And just one more thing, if you want this to take effect in video as well, you need to go into the video menu, go into the custom settings of the video menu and change it there as well. Once you do that in video, it will be the same thing.